Let me show you how you can fix this issue when your voice typing is not working on a Samsung A36 5G. So this could be up to two reasons. The first one, you didn't download any offline languages. So you have to start by opening settings, and then you will have to scroll down for general management, then go into voice input, and here you have to download the languages pack to use voice input offline. If you are offline, if you didn't download, it's not gonna work. So all you have to do is just to find your language, click on this icon right here, and you will have to simply click install. This second issue, when you cannot find, for example, this microphone icon. So you will have to go back from this settings, and when you are here, you will have to go into a keyboard list and default. There we go. And right here, you will have to just click on this icon, keyboard button on the navigation bar. And now you will get this microphone icon, but also be sure that you turn on the Google Voice typing.